Hi everyone, welcome to my leather minute. This is my new dog. No, he's cutting. This is a Pomeranian. Just cut look like a Shiba Inu, right? Okay, let's go. So this tip, I will make the dog. So make the hole all around this circle. This is 55 millimeters diameters, and to make the corner. Here to make the corner. What we use here is using the pricking iron. The set of 1, 2 dents and 4 dents in 4 mm. The wing divider and a mallet. Let's see.
For the circle, I use wing divider to make the lines all around. Then I use 2 dense pricking iron make the shallow dots at first, and then I use real weight on the second time. After punching all this line, I will continue to make the whole this line, but just skip the corner for a moment. And for this corner,
Thank you for watching. If you have time, practice this. It will help you work more better and better every day. If you never watched me before, leather minutes, leather addict that make the bags, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.